It's lymphatic system which keeps the fluid management in the body and takes care of external organisms which bother your system, takes care of injury and inflammation and stuff that happens. Injury is not just physical injuries. At the cellular level, there is inflammation that needs to be handled and managed all the time, and also handles all the debris, the cellular debris that is there in the body. It needs to be cleaned up, otherwise it'll pile up and become toxic, and also handles the cancerous cells. So lymphatic system is very vital for us to maintain health, of course, but to maintain vibrance, your lymphatic system should be on. So, among the lymphatic organs, the most vital one is spleen, then the other things you might have gotten them removed. You have tonsils, you still have or gone? You have appendix or gone? Keeping this in good condition is very vital to know vibrance of body, otherwise it'll it'll… without you knowing what's happening, it'll go like that, like a sick chicken you'll become. So then if I ask you to meditate, close your eyes. You know? Yes. Because keeping the body in a certain level of vibrance and purification system working well is very vital if a human being wants to sit with eyes closed and alert.